No other cancer center in the country or even in the world has been created like this, to really put everything under one roof for the benefit not only for the patients, but also for the benefit of collaborative research and opportunities. You're beginning to see the camaraderie, the collegiality, the collaboration really starting to take off in terms of new ideas, new projects, new grants. We've had over $215 million worth of new grants funded in the last 5 years to this institution, to this cancer center.
We are completely redesigning the way that patients are seen and evaluated. And so instead of having a patient go out and seek the physicians and the providers that they need, trying to find a surgeon, then trying to find a medical oncologist, then trying to find a radiation specialist, we bring all of those people in one room on the same day at the same time. And the patient comes there, and we then evaluate all of the data in front of us. We develop a comprehensive care plan in real time with everyone present and contributing to that. And then we go and deliver that care plan to the patient.
The culture of integration between researchers and clinicians has really taken off and really been embedded into the fabric of the building.
One of the great things about the Fred and Pamela Buffett Cancer Center is not just that it is a state-of-the-art building with beautiful infrastructure, but the design allows for the ability of scientists and clinicians from diverse backgrounds to intermingle in the same spaces. So at one end of a floor, you'll have outpatient clinic rooms where physicians are seeing their patients on a daily basis. And at the other end of the same hallway will be the scientists that are researching these diseases and trying to develop tomorrow's therapies. And it's having those two groups of people interact that's going to advance the ability to treat these difficult diseases that we're working on.
We're like a single family. We have a single mission. We can talk to each other very efficiently. We can make things happen. We can literally go from the lab to the clinic to clinical research studies and back.
For students, it's really a nice place for them to learn and be taught by the top scientists in various fields. They get a good understanding of basic cancer biology, and through their courses and classes and interactions with other faculty through different seminars and journal clubs, they also understand different aspects of research such as translational research.
When we're breaking through barriers, differences in thought, differences in creativity, and cooperating together is absolutely key to that. So bringing in people with new ideas, new ways of thinking, new backgrounds, different backgrounds, new way of training, and bringing them all together in a cooperative fashion is the way to do it. And in fact, this building is designed to do exactly that.
So we build upon previous knowledge and we add to the river of knowledge, and that's always very rewarding.
The people here are less concerned about the background noise, less concerned about advancing their own careers, and more concerned about helping patients and making discoveries that are going to matter in the real world.
I came here because of the potential that this program has for making advances in science. And we're a small institution, and we've had an impact much greater than our size across fields of cancer, and it's because of the spirit of cooperation and collaboration.
In order to accomplish the lofty goals that we have here in the Fred and Pamela Buffett Cancer Center, this requires resources that are somewhat unconventional. Conventional sources lead to conventional experiments and conventional results. And the goals we have are anything but that.
So to have public support for our science is very critical because, number one, a lot of great ideas don't have a lot of preliminary data to support it. And so you can't go ask extramural funding for this amount of money. So to be able to convey a simple idea and get donor sponsorship to design pilot experiments and to bring this idea to life is very rewarding.
All of the discoveries that my laboratory has made in the last 20 years that have advanced the field appreciably have been launched by donor funds and unrestricted funds. That's what's enabled us to do the out-of-the-box experiment.
As scientists and researchers, we're always on the frontier, and creativity comes from people who have a frontier attitude, so I just see a connectivity with that.
I see the next director getting the support from the community to make this even bigger and better for our patients, for our community, for our state, and to provide better therapies and more hope for patients not only here in Nebraska, but beyond and globally.